Hi, today I have a book called Baby on Board, the car version. I am still trying to figure out why my video is so blurry, but we're going to go with it. Baby on Board car. It has tabs that you can pull and push. So hopefully, all aboard the baby car. Buckle up and off we go. All aboard the baby car. Fast driving and driving slow. All aboard the baby car. Stopping at traffic lights. All aboard the baby car. Steering wheels left and right. And that's the steering wheel. I think that's so cute. All aboard the baby car. Rain falls with a splash and a splish. All aboard the baby car. Windshield wipers swish, swish, swish. Oops. All aboard the baby car. What a lot of driving fun. All aboard the baby car with a vroom and a honk with a vroom, vroom, vroom. Hold this a little bit better. That was a cute and quick story. Baby on board car. Thanks. Stop by again. Bye bye.